Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Margarita Jello shots. Only way. Gather tequila, triple sec, lime juice, unflavored gelatin, water, and sugar before starting. Begin by blooming gelatin in cold water, then dissolve in hot water and stir until fully clear. Add lime juice, tequila, and triple sec, then sweeten to taste. Pour into molds or cups and refrigerate until firm. I'll guide you through tips for texture and serving. In this video, I will show how to make Margarita Jello shots. Only way. After dissolving the gelatin, combine lime juice, tequila, and triple sec, then taste and adjust sweetness. Use 1 part alcohol to 2 parts gelatin liquid for balance setting and alcohol flavor, but avoid exceeding proportions that prevent setting. Pour carefully into molds or small cups and let chill undisturbed. I'll share simple tricks to unmold and garnish beautifully. In this video, I will show how to make Margarita Jello shots. Only way. Quick recommendation. For downtime between chilling batches, I love reading on the new Kindle Paperwhite because its glare-free screen and long battery life let me relax while I wait. If you want the same convenience, check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make Margarita Jello shots. Only way. For better flavor, use fresh lime juice and adjust sugar to taste before adding alcohol. Salt or sugar the rims for contrast, and add zest or lime wheels for garnish. If trying fruit or flavored liqueurs, maintain the same alcohol-to-liquid ratio so shots set properly. I'll explain how to test firmness and store them safely for parties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.